Yeah. yeah, this is Irich. Yeah, man, sometimes life is unfair, life is not real. But you better keep on moving on. Keep on pushing on. You're gonna be okay, gonna be alright. One day you're gonna rebound, so. Memories keeps on falling on your face every day. Keeps on praying keeps on praying every day and time she keeps on calling for you. She just said, Wanderer, can you hear me, love? Can you hear me, love? Tears keeps on falling on your face every day, wondering, hoping for a better tomorrow. When it gonna be okay? She keeps on saying, let the rain come, let the rain come and wash away oh my pain, oh my sorrow, oh my pain, oh my sorrow. Hoping and praying every day and time, wondering, life full of illusion, full of confusion. What we gonna do? What am I to do? Let the rain come and wash away all my pain and the tears I cry. She keeps on saying, let it rain wash away all the tears, pain and sorrow. Keeps on eating you every day, every time. Feel like you're running down, never give up on it. Facing sorrows of life, sometimes you feel like losing yourself, wondering where to go, where to run to. Can't run away from yourself, where to run to. Can't run away from yourself. Ooh. She keeps on saying, let the rain come and wash away all my pain. She keeps on saying, let the rain come and wash away all your tears. Wash away, wash away, wash away, wash away.